Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to completely uninstall the Claude Code from Windows. Open the Windows menu and search for PowerShell and run it as administrator. Say yes, and here you can confirm if the Claude Code is installed using the claude-v, which will display the Claude Code version. So if I have to completely uninstall, I may not be able to find that application here because I have used CLI. So you can see there is nothing to install. Even if I go to the control panel and uninstall a program, you won't be able to see because I have installed using the command line. So one of the easiest ways to go to the file explorer. Within the file explorer, go to your local disk and go to the users and open your username. So here you would be able to find this claude.json. So you can just go right click and delete. After that, you would be also finding this .claude folder. Just go right click and again delete it. And within the local file you would have a bin file, and in that bin you have this .exe file. Just go right click and then delete. So once you have deleted it, you can just go back to the terminal, close it and reopen the PowerShell again, run it as administrator, say yes, and then you can type in Claude and V, and this time it won't show the Claude version, which means Claude Code has been completely uninstalled. So this is one of the easiest way to uninstall the Claude Code. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.